Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, this time I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express an activity in the past, so we use verb to after subject. Well, after this story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Well, now listen to me carefully. So, because we can use the conversation, we can use the story to reproduce the conversation. So, you should try to understand and listen to me carefully. And you should also try to repeat after me because you must improve your English speaking. Well, now listen to me carefully. Christopher Columbus was an explorer. He thought the earth was round. People at that time did not believe him. They laughed at him. Finally, he got enough money for 3 small ships. He was on the ocean for a long, long time. His sailors were afraid. Finally, they saw land. The land was America. Okay. Do you remember the story? Alright, I repeat. Christopher Columbus was an explorer. He thought the earth was round. People at that time did not believe him. They laughed at him. Finally, he had he had 3 small ships. He was on the ocean for a long, long time. Finally, they saw land. The land was America. Alright, now I'm going to ask you some questions based on the story. So you can use the story to reproduce conversation. So in this case, you should also practice English with your partner. Question number 1. Was Christopher Columbus an explorer? Question number 2. What did he think of the earth? Did he think the earth was round? Did the people believe at him? Did they laugh at him? Did he finally have enough money for 3 small ships? Was he on the ocean for a long, long time? Were his sailors very afraid? What did they see at last? Did they see land? What land was it? Was the land Africa? Last question. Was the land America? Well, so you should try to reproduce conversation with your partner. So we use verb 1 to make question, and then use also auxiliary verb did plus subject plus verb 1. Alright, I hope that this story is, I hope this video is very useful for you. I hope you understand and subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.